Ebook readers are becoming popular day by day, and it is of no surprise that these e-readers are getting more packed with amazing features. The notion of carrying thousands of books in a device as thick as a pencil and with a display that seems like a page of a book is pretty sleek. This is the new 10th generation Kindle Paperwhite, the most popular Kindle from Amazon that sets a new standard for what an e-reader should be like. Let's get started with the unboxing first. Compared to the last Paperwhite version, this comes in a much simpler package. This is the 8GB Wi-Fi version that costs about $129 and is the first Kindle Paperwhite that comes with IPX rated water-resistant technology just like the premium Kindle Oasis, which means it will be absolutely fine under fresh water up to 2 meters for 60 minutes. Inside the box we get the USB charging cable, but no adapter, need to connect it to a laptop or third-party adapter to charge the Kindle, some basic paperwork, and finally the Kindle itself. So that's basically all what you get in the box. So here it is, the latest Kindle Paperwhite. Now the first thing to notice here is that the screen is now flush to the bezels, so it is much easier now to remove dust or water droplets from the surface. The backside is composed of soft plastic with rubbery finish, making it much comfortable for readers to hold it while reading. The device is very clean with just one physical button at the bottom, which serves both as the power and the sleep-wake button, and a USB Type-B port with it. It is a disadvantage for some people for not having the privilege of two physical buttons to switch between pages like the Kindle Oasis, but I find it absolutely fine since the touch controls are not bad at all. You either need to tap on the sides of the screen or swipe to get the job done. The display is 6 inches in dimension with resolution of 300 pixels per inch, so you get better clarity while reading comics or documents. The display that it uses is different from regular tablets or phones. It's called the electronic ink display. The reason that the Kindle looks more like a piece of paper pasted onto the display and is probably the main reason to buy an ebook reader. The downside of this display is its low refresh rate, which means transition from one page to another is noticeably slow, and you will also face blur and slow navigation when zoomed into a document. That's just the way these e-paper displays work. This glare-free display is lit by 5 LEDs so you can read in dark environment as well. The e-paper display technology in combination with the low power consuming LEDs demands for minimum power usage, and Amazon has rated its battery life as enough to last for weeks. And after using it for more than a week now, I found that I can easily finish reading one complete book in a week without plugging it for charge. That's because the device does not use battery power when you are reading a page of the book. Rather, it is when the Kindle screen refreshes as you interact with it that it uses power from the battery. And this chargeless period can be extended by switching to the airplane mode while enjoying your favorite novel. Now let's talk about the user interface. I would say it is a very clean and organized UI from Amazon. In the home screen you get the recent books that have been opened, recommendations and new releases etc. with a bunch of shortcuts at the top of the screen. One of its major features is that now it supports Audible. If you don't want to read a book, you can simply connect your Kindle to Bluetooth audio device and start listening. Also, with the voice view feature turned on, you can listen to any ordinary book that is not an audiobook.
Investiture of bishops and abbots which the Pope had won in the reigns of his predecessors, nor the growing.
Once you have started reading a book, you have plenty of options to customize the appearance of the pages. From choosing from a variety of 10 different fonts, to changing the font size, page spacing, margins, orientation and alignment, you can tweak all settings to match your style. Perfect for great reading experience. Don't understand a word? No problem. The built-in dictionary pops up as soon as you long press on a word. Swiping left gives you more information from Wikipedia and the translation to your desired language as well. Also, you can highlight the word, make notes based on that, or even share on social media. For those of you who are fan of the dark mode, you can get such taste here too by switching on the invert black and white option under accessibility. In a nutshell, this new Kindle Paperwhite is a great upgrade from Amazon. Great build quality, amazing display, useful features like water resistance, Audible support, the vast Amazon library, all of which leave you with almost nothing more that you can demand from an ebook reader. I would definitely recommend you to get this one. Go check this out, I've put the link to the Amazon website in the description below. So, are you buying the new Kindle Paperwhite or gonna wait for the next Kindle device to be released? Maybe with the Alexa integration this time? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.